Alright, we got a pair of thinning shears that have an issue to them. They are kind of grabbing right there. So that's an issue for the stylus. So we're going to try to fix them and get them cutting again like they should. Alright, so we've got them all sharpened. Oh, and they're just so smooth. There's no catch in them whatsoever. So we're going to test them on a little hair here and see if they cut. And they just cut wonderful. Look at that. So fantastic. No hanging up. So these are like brand new. So we repaired them. Thanks for watching.